Domain names and web hosting. Domains, web hosting. Domain name and web hosting are often confused for one and the same thing. This is wrong as the two refer to very different things. If you are involved in web-related activities, you will realize that you will be using both terms many times. It is therefore important to know what each of them entails in order to use them the right way. Web hosting. For you to understand what web hosting means, you need to first understand the basics of Internet. The first concept that you have to grasp is Internet access. Internet access is like you applying for a driving license. When you obtain it, you can easily drive your car around, stop whenever you like, do some shopping, and eventually drive on to your home. Internet access is the same. It allows you to access other people's information, navigate around pages, and interact with other people who are also logged in. You can buy, sell, and do any other transactions on the net just like in real life. Web hosting, on the other hand, can be compared to renting a shop or space to start a business. In this case, you enter into an agreement with the shop owner to pay some rent money monthly or annually for usage of the space or shop. In web hosting, you get into agreement with a web hosting company for hiring of their disk space. These disks are where your web content is stored and later relayed to other people who request for it. Customers request for content using domain names. Domain names are unique IDs which identify particular websites. They are explained in detail below. In this case, the owners of the servers which carry the disk act like the shop owners. The amount of space allocated for your web content is what is commonly called disk space. That is why, for instance, a company may charge $6 for 50 gigabytes disk space for a period of 1 month. Domain names are the unique identifiers that are used to locate a website. Just like a home address, the domain name is used to differentiate one website from other similar sites. In most cases, the companies that host domains are also concerned with domain registration. There are particular rules that are followed for domain name issuance. All domains must follow this set protocol for the purposes of uniformity. Unless your website has a legal domain name and is hosted by a hosting firm, other people cannot access it over the Internet. When choosing a domain for your website, choose a name that is related to your line of business. This is the name that customers can use to easily locate your website amongst thousands of other firms that conduct similar business. The domain name, just like normal addresses, needs to be simple and easy to remember. A complicated domain name makes it very hard for people to look up your company. Long and hard to spell domains are not also good for a business website.